Forgot your Wi-Fi password? Don't panic. We've all been there. You're trying to connect a new device, help a friend get online, or just forgot the password you set months ago. Well, the good news is you don't need to reset your router or search through paperwork. Your smartphone can help you find your Wi-Fi password instantly. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through 2 simple methods to view and share your Wi-Fi password directly from your phone. No advanced tech skills required. Let's get started. Part 1. Step 1. On your Android phone, go to your home screen and tap the settings icon. Step 2. Might vary slightly depending on your phone model. Step 3. Here you'll see a list of available networks. At the top, you'll see the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Step 4. A new screen will appear with more details about the connection. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Share or QR code. Tap it. For security reasons, your phone will now ask you to authenticate either by fingerprint, PIN, or password. Step 6. You'll now see a QR code on your screen. This code can be scanned by other devices to join your Wi-Fi network instantly. However, it doesn't show the password in text form just yet. Part 2, here's the trick to uncover the actual password hidden in that QR code. Step 1, just press the power button. Boss volume down simultaneously to capture the screen. Step 2, open the Google app. This is the default Google app that comes pre-installed on most Android phones. Step 3, tap the Google Lens icon. You'll find it in the search bar. It looks like a camera inside a square. Step 4, select the screenshot you just took. Step 5, let Google Lens do its magic. Google Lens will scan the QR code and within seconds, it will display your Wi-Fi network name and the password in plain text. Boom! You can now copy, share, or save the password as needed. Here are a few extra tips to avoid forgetting your Wi-Fi password in the future. Use a strong but memorable password like a phrase or combination of words and numbers. Write it down and tape it under your router, or keep it in a safe spot.